know that this team, working in cooperation with our states, with the cooperation of the American people, has made great progress. And we're getting there. We're getting there, America. And as I said at the outset, let me say, I hope it's more in evidence as you hear from this team about the abundance of supplies that are available today for our hospitals, our ability to track what's happening at your local hospital to make sure that it has the PPE and the equipment and supplies to provide the health care that your family may need. I hope as you heard about the extraordinary distribution plans of Operation Warp Speed and the confidence that Dr. Fauci expressed today, and the news that one of those research companies is going to submit an emergency use authorization tomorrow on the very first vaccine, that we are literally, we could well be just a matter of a few short weeks away from a vaccine being available across this country for the most vulnerable among us and for those that are caring for them in our hospitals and our clinics. I hope everything you've heard today gives evidence of what I said at the start, that America has never been more prepared to combat this virus. But let me be clear as I close, we all have a role to play in the days ahead. And you heard this team say, as we see that finish line, as we see light at the end of the tunnel, as President Trump often says, and you should see evidence here that we are rounding the corner to that day that we have a vaccine for the American people. We do want to encourage every American to continue to do your part. Wash your hands, practice social distancing, wear a mask when social distancing isn't possible. Do your part to put the health of your family, the health of your neighbors, the health of the people in your community first. We are all in this together. And as I've said many times from this podium over many, many months, I know that with the cooperation of the American people, with our incredible doctors and nurses and first responders, with the extraordinary partnership of federal and state and local health officials, we will get through this. And we will get through this together.
Mr. Vice President,
Thank you all.
Mr. Vice President.